This meeting is being recorded.
Good morning to all. I'm Sumitra, working as an associate professor in EEE Department of R&D Engineering College. In my previous lecture, I have discussed a lot regarding the different types of renewable energy sources available and what are the corresponding advantages and disadvantages of each and every renewable sources. Now, in this video, I'm going to explain about Unit 2, which is getting concerned with that of your wind energy. First of all, let me explain about the topics which are present under this Unit 2. And here, first topic is nothing but the power in the wind, how we can trap the power with the help of the wind energy, and what are the different types of wind power plants we have, and based on the construction, how they are getting classified, and what are the different components of the wind power plant, and then how the wind power plants are working, and what are the points to be considered before going for selection of a site for constructing a wind power plant, and what are the grid integration issues of wind power plant. So first, coming to the wind energy system. Why we are going for this wind energy? Because it is a renewable form and it is also available in surplus, and it is free, and it is available free of cost, and its operating cost is almost zero, and wind electricity generator system can be well suited for any remote location, right? So owing to these advantages only, we are preferring this type of renewable energy for their power production. And then coming to the drawbacks and all means it is an unpredictable form. That is, we can't say this much of energy can be produced for a period of time, right? You cannot produce the same amount of energy during all the periods of time. And for constructing such power plant, we need a big open area, and also it results in a noisy environment. And the construction process requires a wind turbine. Cost of the wind turbine is a little bit expensive also, and it will give the electricity output which is considerably less when compared to the other forms of renewable energy, and it also laid a threat for the flying birds around that power plant. So first, the first wind turbine was introduced in the year 1888 by Charles F. Brush, and initially the turbine which has been used is said to have 144 rotor blades, and also it is made of the cedar wood, and which is having a capacity of producing about 12 kilowatts of power. And now in 1986, we have the first wind power plant which has been located in Maharashtra, and with the swift movement of the wind power, at present our country stood fourth in the wind power capacity, installed capacity of wind power, right? And now this slide will explain you how, will shows you the different locations of the wind power plant in our country, right? We have Kanyakumari, we have Cape Marine Power Plant, which is located at Kanyakumari in our state, Tamil Nadu, and along with that we have Muppandal Wind Farm also, which is located in the same Kanyakumari plant, and along with that in Kayathan we have one more power plant like Kayathan. Like that, we have so many different power plants, wind power plants located in different locations, and which is having a different installed capacity right from 30 megawatts to 100 megawatts. And this is the structure of a windmill and wind turbine. Now in this lecture, I'm going to explain about how the power is generated and what is the magnitude of power, and what are the types of wind power plant, and what are the components present inside, how the each and every components are working, and what are the points to be considered before going for site selection, and what are finally the issues getting related because of integrating the wind power plant to the grid. Now, what is wind? How the wind is created? We all know that movement of the air, which has been initiated due to the pressure difference in the atmosphere due to the uneven temperature of the sun, is known as wind. So, because of the sun only, we are getting a temperature difference in the atmosphere, which results in the movement of the wind. So, this is how the wind is created from the high pressure to the low pressure. Your wind direction will be like this. Wind is also supposed to move from the high pressure towards the low pressure. And next, coming to the origin of the wind. I already mentioned you, wind energy means it is not coming only because of the wind. Even many other sources is acting as an origin, like uneven heating in the atmosphere caused by the sun is one of the main factor. For creating the wind, and along with that, the uneven irregularities of the Earth's surface, and also the rotation of the Earth, These are all the various factors which results in the formation of the wind energy. And based on the intensity of the wind, we can classify the wind as calm, gentle, moderate, and stronger scale. And based on the intensity of the wind, that is the wind speed